In this quick video, I will show you how to replace the battery in your Mitsubishi Mirage key fob. This whole process is very easy. It'll take you under 5 minutes from start to finish, and you'll just need a couple simple tools to get it done. You will also need a CR1620 battery, just one of them. If you don't have one of these or you'd like to pick one up online anyway, just go check that first link down in the description. That link will take you over to Amazon where you can find these particular batteries for just a few bucks. And then the only other things you will need are a regular flathead screwdriver and a small Phillips head screwdriver. So we will be removing this small screw in the back, and this seems to be about the size that works best. If you do not have a screwdriver this size, I would recommend this set that I have been using personally for years. It's just a couple bucks on Amazon, and so I will put that in the description as well. And if you do end up getting this, we will also be using this other little screwdriver just to help us pop the battery out once we get inside. So first step is just to remove this screw in the back. So go ahead and twist that out. Set your screw to the side. Now coming up to the the bottom of the device, you can see that slot along the seam in the plastic there. Take your flathead, insert it in, and just twist until you feel it snap apart. And now we do have access to the battery. So we're going to need a metal tool, or it doesn't have to be metal, but a small tool that can fit in this opening in the top corner. This is where I will be using this other precision screwdriver just to pry it out. But if you do not have one of these, you could use some kind of a needle or a pin or even a toothpick, just anything that can help you to pry the battery out. So what we're doing is we're inserting into that space, pushing down to the bottom, and then gently prying the battery out. It'll come out pretty easily, and then you can go ahead and dispose of your old battery, take your new CR1620, and when you put it in, make sure that the positive side that has the plus sign and the text on it is facing up. So you just want to slide it down towards these two plastic tabs right there that hold it in place, and then click it in on the opposite side. And it will sit in there securely, and then you can just put it all back together. So what we want to do is take the two halves, line them up, and squeeze. And all we need to do now is just put our screw back in there and tighten it up. Okay, so just give that a twist and you will be all set. And if you want to verify that you did everything correctly and make sure your battery has some juice in it, just click any of the buttons on the front and check to see if that light comes on. And so there you go. That's all it takes. I hope this was helpful for you. If it was, feel free to let me know down in the comments, just because we love to hear your feedback. And you can also let me know by giving the video a like. And remember, if you ever need help with another one of your keys, you can always come back here to this channel. We have you covered with tutorials like this one for the devices for almost every make and model out there. And you can also get all of this information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.